This is a review of the Macbook Pro charger with USB-C. This is the 87 watt version, which is the strongest version, is the model A1719. It has one USB-C port to charge the MacBook Pro, but you also can use it to charge any other USB-C devices. The first thing you notice is it's quite heavy. When it's laying flat, the size is the standard Apple charger size. So it's the same like the 29 watt charger as well as the iPad 12 and 10 watt charger. The advantage is they all use the same plug adapter system, so they are interchangeable. So depending where you buy the charger, they will have a different plug adapter. So this plug adapter is for the European plugs, but if you get it in the US, you will have this kind of adapter which slides in there, and in case you need different adapters while traveling, you can get the Apple Travel Kit adapter, where they have different adapters for most world countries, which you can slide on here. So if you buy the charger on its own, you will only get the adapter which fits with the country where you bought it. So in this case, this was bought in Hong Kong, so you'll get the 3-prong plug adapter, which is the same like they use in the UK. So if you need a different plug adapter, remember to get a separate adapter or the Apple Travel Kit, so you have all adapters that you need. So in comparison with the 29 watt charger, it's slightly bigger, the size, but it has the same USB-C port, and the width of the charger is the same compared to a card. It's slightly smaller than a card, but it's square shaped side by side. Looks like this. This can charge the 15-inch MacBook Pro in about 1.5 hours. When the MacBook is not being used, it might be slightly faster, but generally speaking, there's not much difference between charging times when you are using the computer or when it's not being used. There might be a 10% increase in time in case you are using it like working on a document or browsing the web. But generally speaking, this charger is very fast, and you also can use it to charge your iPad, provided that you have a USB-C to lightning cable, which you need to get separately also. If you purchase this charger on its own, it will not come with any USB-C cable. So just in case you don't have a USB-C cable, you need to purchase it separately. To charge an iPhone 10, it will take around 1.5 hours, but if you only want to charge it, the phone up to 50%, it will only take 30 minutes. And that's if you don't use the phone and you switch on airplane mode and set it to low power. It's slightly faster than using the 29 watt for charging a an iPhone, but the difference is negligible because it's probably only a few percent faster than the 29-watt charger in case you want to charge an iPhone. The advantage is you can carry only one charger and use it to charge everything from your MacBook Pro, MacBook 12, iPhone, headphones such as the Beats, which also use lightning adapter, or the AirPods, which also use lightning. So you only have to carry one charger instead of several different chargers. In comparison to the iPhone European charger, the size is much thicker, and if you are traveling overseas, especially in areas where you won't find many Apple stores, it's not easy to find a charger. The most likely place to find this when you are overseas is at airports or at Apple store, but in any other normal computer store it might be not easy to find this charger. So remember when you pack your bags that you absolutely must bring the charger with you and the cable. If not, you cannot use your MacBook. So to see the most updated price, please click on the link below in the description. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay safe.